Welcome class, welcome to Tal Tutorials. This is the last PPT for the first chapter of class 9 ICSE Physics, that is measurement and experimentation. This is basically, as I promised, it is a numerical part, and here we go with the numerical part. First, in a vernier caliper, there are 10 divisions on the vernier scale and 1 centimeter on the main scale. It is divided into 10 parts. While measuring the length, the zero of the vernier lies just ahead of 1.8 centimeter, and the fourth division of vernier coincides with the main scale division. First is find the length. As I have told you in the formula itself, we need to find total reading or length, that is main scale reading plus VSR. So, least count of a vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Main scale reading is 1.8. And vernier caliper, as it's telling that it is coinciding with fourth division. So, main scale reading is equal to 1.8. Fourth division, so P is 4, vernier is 4, that is into 0.01 centimeter that I have discussed in the formula. That comes 0.04 centimeter. So, total reading is equal to MSR plus VSR, that is 1.8 plus 0.04 centimeter. In total, it is coming as 1.84 centimeter. That is my first answer. Second question is, if zero error of vernier caliper is minus 0.02. Whatever we get the answer, we put a minus, then a sign, and we put the value. So here we have put the same thing, 1.84 what we got the answer, minus, again we put the sign, that is 0.02, that become plus, and that become 1.84 plus 0.02, that is 1.86. This is the exact value when there would have been no zero error. I think this was a very clear question, very easy question, and this is the type of question which comes in the exam. Now, we'll come to the second question. This is, while measuring the length of the rod with vernier caliper, the figure shows the position of its scale. What is the length of the rod? See, least count, again we know 0.01 centimeter. In the scale, you will find after 3.3 that 0 start. So, main scale reading will be 3.3 millimeter. Please try to understand where it is start. Sorry, I have written as millimeter, it will be centimeter. Please class note down that is not millimeter, that is centimeter. 3.3 centimeter, because that scale is of centimeter. Now, when we see the 6th point is matching straight with vernier caliper, 6 just before, just the vernier caliper 6, you will see it is matching straight. So 6 vernier caliper coincide with the main scale division. Therefore, vernier scale division is 6 into 0.01, that is least count, and vernier scale reading becomes 0.06. We need to find the length of the rod or total observation, that is MSR plus VSR. MSR as we got 3.3 millimeter and VSR we got 0.06 millimeter. Sorry, 3.3 centimeter, and this is 0.06 centimeter. That is 3.36 centimeter. Now we will come to some screw gauge question. The thimble of a screw has 50 divisions. The spindle advances 1 millimeter when the screw is turned through 2 revolutions. So, what is the pitch of the screw gauge? Pitch is distance moved in 1 revolution. Distance is shown as 1 millimeter. And there are 2 revolutions, so we will divide by 2. So pitch becomes 0.5 millimeter. Second question, what is the least count of the screw gauge? As we know, there are 50 divisions only, and pitch we have got 0.5. So 0.5 by 50, that is 0.01 millimeter. I think it's very clear, these questions. This is the fourth question. The pitch of the screw gauge is 1 millimeter. And circular scale has 100 divisions. In this, there is 100 divisions. In measurement of the diameter of the wire, the main scale reads 2 millimeter. We know what is the main scale read. And 45th mark on the circular scale. So by the question we know main scale read as 2 millimeter, circular scale as 45th marks, pitch is 1 millimeter, and total division is 100. First question is find the least count. Pitch by 100 because total division. So 1 by 100, that is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Now we need to find diameter. Diameter means again length we need to find here. Main scale reading we need to find here. So 2 millimeter we convert into centimeter, that is 0.2 centimeter. Number of division is 45. Circular scale reading is number of division into least count, that is 0.001 centimeter. So when we are multiplying 45 with 0.001 centimeter, we got 0.045 centimeter. The total reading here is main scale reading plus circular scale reading, that is 0.2 plus 0.045. So we are getting 0.245 centimeter as the diameter of the rod, or you can say total observation of the rod. I think we are pretty clear now. Now the last question for this PPT is on time period. Find the length of seconds pendulum at a place where G is 10 meter per second square and take pi as 3.14. Here G is given as 10 meter per second square. Time period T is 2 seconds because it's seconds pendulum, and let L be length. When we apply this formula, T is equal to 2 pi root over L by G, we will get L as 1.0142 second. This is the end of the first chapter. I think within 2 days an assessment will be processed, and I request you to complete the assessment that I can mark you where we are and where we are understanding. It's just a benefit for you, not for me. So please do come back. We will have a live session that where we are lacking in understanding and all. That is end of this topic class. This chapter is over. Good night. Bye bye. We'll meet you again with the second chapter.